Hey guys, good morning. It is 4:30 in the morning. I just woke up, probably gonna go run in a bit, but I wanted to update you guys on the Forex and how it actually did from Sunday night till now. The Forex market opens up at around 3 p.m. Sunday, PST time, and as of now, it did make for the overnight session about $10.79. $10.79. Um, like I said, I'm gonna be updating at least two videos, one in the morning, one in the afternoon. The morning will be about the overnight session, and then the afternoon one around 6, 7, 8 o'clock at night will be, or afternoon will actually be how it performed from early morning up until that point in the afternoon. But yeah, so far so good. We started the account with 978, currently at $1,011. I'm gonna be doing this for a month straight, just to kind of updating you guys on the EA, and then if it actually does perform well this month, like it has been for the last couple of months, I will be releasing the EA, just because I think it's actually pretty good. But on that, that's really just it. No other update. 1079 for the overnight session, and as of right now, the account is down about $16 on a bunch of open positions on gold right now. This is what it currently has open right here. Zoom in a little bit. There you go. That's what it currently has open right now. But I'll see you guys later. Have a great day, and yeah.